Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Fujitsu air conditioner remote control. So as you can see, I have this Fujitsu remote control available. So in order to reset it, what you need to do is you need to have two different methods of resetting it. So in the first method, what you need to do is you need to simply locate this type of reset button available on top of your remote. So if you have the reset button available, you just have to do nothing but to just simply press it once using a paper clip, or if it has a proper button, you just have to simply press it. Now if your remote doesn't have a reset button, you just have to simply remove the battery cover, and then you just have to simply remove the batteries as well. After removing the batteries, simply press the start and the stop button on top of the remote and wait for at least 10 seconds. After doing so, you just have to simply reinsert the new batteries and make sure that the plus and the minus terminals are also matching to the marking inside the battery compartment. If the batteries are weak, you can just simply replace them. So that's how basically you can reset the remote. You have two different options. First, you can press the reset button, and the second, you can just simply replace the batteries. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.